Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, something distinctly different, a 2025 release made in 200 pieces in blackened ceramized grade 5 titanium from Gerald Charles. This is the Maestro GC Sport tennis watch, and it certainly looks like its namesake, the tennis ball. We've got a dial in what they describe as optic yellow grained, a matching strap with a Velcro closure. You can see a loop fixture on the end, and the watch is quite light. They claim 64 grams, but on my scale, this is only 61. Quite impressive stuff. Now, of course, Gerald Charles, the first two names of Gerald Genta, is a brand he founded after he sold off his namesake company, or the last of his stake in it, in the year 2000. And in 2005, he created the design that we now describe as the Maestro, which is the foundation of the Gerald Charles model line. So this is technically part of the Maestro 2.0 collection, which means it's got a more modern movement and some fit, finish, and material upgrades, but fundamentally the size is the same. 39 millimeters across, not including the crown, 9.2 millimeters thick, from lug tip to lug tip, 46.8 millimeters. It's got a broad 22 millimeter spacing between the lugs. The nice thing about the Velcro is that it gives you, within its range of adhesion, unlimited adjustability. You're not locked into a couple of perforations in a strap, so to speak. Also, Gerald Charles professed to have spent an enormous amount of time designing the specifications of this strap in-house. And so their standards of quality are evident in the handsome match between the color of the textile top and the optic yellow dial. And then you can see we've got a little bit of bolstering or stuffing to give it some volume, a folded edge. And on the bottom, they were smart about this. There's a rubber lining on both sides to isolate the textile material from the moisture, heat, sweat, and grit of the wrist. So if you just want to wipe this down after a round of tennis, you can easily do so. Pull tab spring bars. You can quickly dismount the strap from the case if you want to fit something more traditional, easy enough to do. And then, of course, we've got the little loop, which has also been dark blasted. They call this dark blast, but the literature with the watch describes it as ceramized titanium, which is to say it has a hardened ceramic outer layer and then it has a metal core so it can't chip or fracture. Now that hardly makes it invulnerable, but it does a good job of preventing wear through. You can see that there's some burnishing on the material, but it is not worn through, so the ceramized layer is holding its own. It's a media blast sort of matte finish, and you can see a very close coupled relationship between the strap and the case, so there's no daylight showing between them. It's designed to look all of a piece and highly integrated. We have this lower asymmetrical face of the dial, which allegedly was inspired by Italian architecture, and then we have a dial and we've got a chemin de fer, or a railroad track, and a polished inner bezel. If you can look carefully, there's a mirror polished inner bezel, and all these things match the form of the case, which is a nice bit of design parallelism. We have a tri-Arabic numeral with applique indices as well as numerals. There's actually a fair amount of lume on this dial, so as a sports watch, no problems there, easy to read. We do have a screw down crown, and take note, this one is a lefty. I believe here the idea is that it's less likely to dig your wrist, and it might just be to be different, to be perfectly honest. But it's a screw-down crown with 4 layers of knurling and a little pyramid pattern, and because it is a screw-down, it gives the watch a robust 100-meter water resistance. Now, there is a hacking seconds function, and there is also a quick-set mechanism, so you can rapidly cycle the time should you need to do so. Of course, it is a Vaucher base, which means what is inside is of high quality. One little slip up, I would have liked the font on the disc to match the font on the dial. The dial is a fascinating texture, not just a gradient fade, but an eye-scorching, retina-searing gradient fade from bright yellow at the center to sort of a British racing green at the edge. The impression is of high quality. Taking a look at the back now, of course, it was 25 years ago that Gerald Charles was created, 25 years previous to 2025 being the year 2000. And Gerald Genta began his final project, a company under his name, albeit his first 2 names, not all 3. You can see a unique hex pattern that characterizes the company's proprietary rotor, but the rest of it is solid Vaucher. Of course, the original version of this Maestro coming out, depending on the company's sourcing between 2005 and 2006, but the movement is a seed VMF 3002 from Valche, which is the movement arm of Parmigiani. We have ceramic ball bearings, we have 2 barrels, we have a 50-hour power reserve, a 4 Hz beat rate, a free-sprung balance for shock resistance, as well as more precise regulation. You could see the Valche star on the base plate. Twin barrels giving excellent rate stability for the full 50 hours, 5 position adjusted, which is a high horology standard, and then all of this with 28 pivot jewels. The movement's 3.7 millimeters thick, so reasonably slim. And then you could see a design Côte de Soleil, or sunburst stripes that radiate out across the bridges. We have snailing on the edge of the bridges, we have polished screw heads, we have solarization, or a sunburst on the ball bearing, and then you could see an engine turning on the base plate. So while the finish is mechanical, it is nevertheless quite attractive. You can see on the back various advertising. Gerald Charles Maestro 2.0-TX is the model reference. Titanium 100 meters with a brushed finish, as well as Media Blast on the back, 1 of 200. All important to know, but this watch is all about its high-impact visual appeal. If you love it, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.